What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today we're going to be checking out a case for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, or FE. Now, I was really surprised that there was really no cases available for this device on launch date, which technically was October 2nd. You could have pre-ordered it prior to that date, but I noticed outside of Samsung and the carriers that are selling cases and accessories, there's nothing. Amazon has cases backed out till mid-October, late October. So I needed to pick up a case for this device so that way I can actually use it without making sure it doesn't get damaged or anything like that. So T-Mobile had their brand of accessories. This is the GoTo. This was $20 at T-Mobile itself, which is a high price for just a clear case, but I figured check it out. It's better than nothing at this point in time. Simple packaging. It is clear, like I mentioned, and so right now it is a hard polycarbonate back, and then the sides are kind of a TPU thinner material at that point. You have all your cutouts as you would hope and expect to have. And there's really nothing to it. You can just pull these clear plastic piece off the back. Just give your device a quick wipe down so that way there's no dirt or grime kept in between the case and the phone itself. That way that will actually just scratch it, and there you go. So there is the case. The camera barely protected it. It's not coming up over the glass. The case is more flush with the camera bump there. But outside of that, there is a lip for the front glass, as you can see, but the buttons stick out. There's no feel difference between the volume and the power buttons, unfortunately. And then down here, you just have your GoTo branding right here. And this is kind of where the TPU portion starts at that point. There's really no like big corners on the edges or on the corners of the device for extra drop impact resistance, but I think this will at least hold you over. It is $20. I think you can probably pick up a Spigen one that would be better quality and probably look and feel better than this. But again, that's not available at this time, so do what you have to do to protect your phone. But for $20, I think this is more of in line of maybe like an $8 case. T-Mobile is making a lot of money on this sort of case. But if you have any questions on the GoTo Galaxy S20 FE case, let me know down in the comments below. I will answer them as always. And stay tuned as I check out additional accessories for this device. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.